When presented with a big project, you need a plan to keep from becoming overwhelmed. When researching a topic for a school project, you can use the Big Six skills. The skills in this research model will help you to work smarter and understand how to find the information you need, process it, and use the information effectively to complete your research project. Don't let this be you. Use the Big Six skills. There are 6 stages to the research model: task definition, information seeking strategies, location and access, use of information, synthesis, and evaluation. The first is task definition. Use the instructions for your project to determine what information will be needed. What is the project asking you to research? What is your topic? Information seeking strategies is the second stage. Brainstorm to determine what possible sources could be used and begin to gather information. What sources are the best? Are you using print, electronic? Make sure you're using reputable sites. Location and access is the third stage. This is where you're going to start gathering your information. Skim article headings and captions. Now is not the time to read every possible source. If the internet is a possible source, log on and begin your information research. But be sure to ask a librarian if you need help finding reputable resources for your project. Use of information. Now that you have gathered many different possible sources of information, it is time to choose the best ones for your project. Read your articles, watch your videos, view the images. Look at all of your sources to determine if they fit within your project. Take neat notes and get your thoughts really well organized. And don't forget to write down the source information so you can give them credit in your presentation. The fifth stage is synthesis. In this step, your information sources come together to form your final project. You will organize your research and present your results during this stage. It is easy to get frustrated at this step if you have not completed all of the previous steps before. Use your notes to make an outline or another online tool to get your information all organized. The presentation can come in many forms, including a research paper, online presentation, print, such as posters and brochures, or many other options that your teacher has approved. Evaluation is the last step. After you've completed your presentation, you need to evaluate its effectiveness. Use the rubric your teacher gave you to compare your project to the task requirements. The standards that you're completing using the Big Six skills are below. The ISTE standard for knowledge constructor. And make sure students plan and employ effective research strategies to locate information and other resources. The TEAK that you're going to be completing is knowledge and skills, research and gathering sources. You're going to determine, locate, and explore a full range of relevant sources addressing a research question and systematically record the information you gather. The Common Core skill standard, you're going to gather relevant information from multiple print and digital resources. And the AASL standard, you're going to be identifying possible sources of information. Now it's time to begin this process. Ask help if you need it. Make sure you're using reputable resources and follow the Big Six, and you will have success.